Welcome home to popular Palm Creek. You'll love this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2-car garage featuring an upgraded kitchen, living room, dining room, family room, and oversized master suite. This immaculate home has a wonderful floor plan with 1747 square feet under airing attractive large tile floors throughout the home. Upgrades include a new metal roof in 2017, stainless steel appliances that are just a few years old, updated master bath and blinds throughout the home. Relax and enjoy the covered back porch and pretty fenced yard with a large old oak tree. This home has a complete set of hurricane panels and is wired for a generator. Palm Creek Estates is a gated community with a community pool and clubhouse in a wonderful location close to shopping, restaurants in downtown Okeechobee. Come see this fabulous move-in ready home today.